Hello class. Today we're going to be doing a project with the Worm Factory 360. The objective of the Worm Factory 360 is today's objective with the Worm Factory 360 is going to be to develop a environment for worm production. With our environment, we have to weigh out a few items. So what you're going to need to do is find your station. Your station is going to be labeled with your names and then also a number. You will find at that station you have 2 styrofoam bowls and 2 cans. One of the cans might have in it holes on the bottom. If it has holes on the bottom and the other one does not, the one with the holes on the bottom is not your best choice for hauling water. The ones that does not have holes on the bottom is probably going to be a better chance for your water. What you're going to be doing is coming over to the weigh station, the gray bin, and the cardboard box with the newspaper in it. Your goal is going to be to weigh out 50 grams of pumice, 50 grams of sand, 250 grams of corn stalk, weed stalks, all of the trash from the state fair, from the gray bin, 250 grams of newspaper from the newspaper box. Once you have all of those weighed out, you will dump them into the white bucket that you have at your station. Place the bucket on top of the metal container bedpan from the chicken crates so that it's easier cleanup for you. Once you get to your spot, you'll add everything into the bucket. And then you'll want to go get a full can of water from the sink. When you come back with your water, dump in the water. I only dumped in about 3/4 of it because when I mixed it up, then I got to this mixture. What you want to get is not to one that is having water drip out like this. You want it to get to a consistency where when you hold it up, no water comes out, but then when you squeeze it, water comes out. So the correct consistency is where you hold it up, the whole thing, and there is no water coming out. This one's a little too wet. To solve that, you can come back and get another 100 grams of newspaper or 100 grams of corn stalks. Whichever you choose, just remember to record it down onto the sheet. Continue that until you get to the right consistency. Once you are in the right consistency where you pull it up, no water comes out, but then when you squeeze it, water comes out, then you are ready to go to the next step. And the next step is opening your worm factory. It is empty. It was empty. There is nothing in it yet. So what your goal to do is to take this mixture and spread it all the way through into your worm factory. That is not what you want to do. If that does happen, make sure you follow the lead of good people like Abraham Lincoln in that you pick it up and clean up all of your mess. Once your mess is cleaned back up, you can continue to take the materials and dump them into your worm factory. After you've gotten your worm factory all completely filled up, place the top back on it, and then clean up your station so that everything is either in the trash can or it is into back into the gray item over here. So to recap, weigh, mix water on top, place all into here.